US versus Coinbase Pro, which is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Binance US versus Coinbase Pro to see which crypto exchange is the right choice for you. And to Coinbase Pro, advanced trade, built for traders who want lower fees and more tools than the regular Coinbase app. Offers: advanced charts and order types, strong security with FDIC-insured USD balances, user-friendly design even for beginners, moving to advanced trading. Backed by Coinbase, one of the most regulated and trusted platforms in the US. Best for beginners and intermediate traders who want simplicity plus strong compliance. Binance US, the American version of Binance tailored for US regulations. Offers: lower trading fees than most US competitors, wide variety of cryptocurrencies, more than Coinbase Pro, advanced charts and trading tools powered by Binance's global expertise. However, fewer features than the global Binance platform. Best for traders who want low fees and access to a bigger crypto selection. Binance US versus Coinbase Pro. Quick comparison. Ease of use. Coinbase Pro is more beginner-friendly. Binance US feels more advanced. Fees. Binance US is cheaper, especially for high-volume traders. Crypto selection. Binance US supports more tokens than Coinbase Pro. Regulation and trust. Coinbase Pro has stronger US regulation and insurance. Final verdict: choose Coinbase Pro Advanced Trade if you're a beginner, want top-level security, and prefer a simple US regulated platform. Choose Binance US if you want lower fees and a larger selection of coins, and you're comfortable with a slightly more complex interface. That's it for today's comparison of Binance US versus Coinbase Pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on more crypto tips. Binance US